Well, Asante Kotoko recorded a significant win in the season after 90 minutes of football action. I referee 7 minutes to so no Asante Kotoko a share Nations FC by 4-2 at Babara Sports Stadium. What it means this is Kotoko qualified from the FA Cup round of 62 a day oni actually the round of 32 inch draw no ebeba bonteno. Now some of the key things I see they bro in this particular game Kotoko actually say yes omoye the leaders of Asante region football, the leaders of Ghana football. A emphatic win and a Kotoko nyaye. Coach Prosper Ogum returned to the bench after having a stint off kakra okudi juma the educator pathway development course a course no and a Kotoko Legon cities went to me Anthony this time mobile or returning that the usual starting 11 no sign kakra this time around Poate eda punum ema Asante Kotoko yehu Poate for the first time in the season. Poate started for Asante Kotoko and we've seen Peter Miduakwa also returning to the squad after saying senior players na ebo kakra no. Peter Midu so returning to the squad. So this was the lineup for Asante Kotoko at the starting game. No, Moses Poate started as a goalkeeper. Rich Sheriff Mohammed, Justice Blaze, Stephen Mukwala, Enoch Morrison, Isaac Opon, Henry Ansu, Richmond Lamte, Yusuf Nuruddin, Baba Yaya, and Peter Amidu Akwa. The players are almost starting game for Asante Kotoko. In the game, early minutes, because we single digit 4th minute and Mukwala Tuatana, Emma Kumase Asante Kotoko. Anchakra ena Mukwala na assist chance bi Emma Isaac Opon edeba akutum around in the 12th minute thereabout. Ena eye 2-0 nti eye 2-0 no Richmond Lamte ena be say Kotoko third goal Emma Kumase Asante Kotoko. Nti in the first half na Kotoko shed 3 goals. Ade na been see that this season yes shed 3 goals in a full-time game crani and 10 hunanse but God being so good, first half hit me share 3. Mukwala, Isaac Opon, and Richmond Lamte. And na few Sulemana in the 31st minute or take Kanumuba Akuma Nations FC 4 no. In the second half, Yabaya Omu player no Echa Isaac Opon in the penalty box. And a penalty and a Mukwala ebe chatum ema Kotoko lead by 4-1 into a 4-1 above 50th minute and a nation for ebe pressure kakra and a Nicholas Asamoah enya another goal for Nations FC or modebe shema de 4-2 afidie e could do 4-2 goal bia mubium. So game no the way see coy and on one hebia and one random me de amount what it means is got to qualify to the MTN FA Cup round of 32 draw no a babontia. You can always trust Super 24 TV see the bro if you unsubscribe ya wadarama so subscribe at some no boss wa mame no boy so near build the house together.